Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to switch back to a personal Instagram account on Android. If you've accidentally switched to a business or creator account and want to switch back, you can easily do so using these simple steps. Step 1. Go to your profile and tap in the upper right corner. The first step in switching back to a personal Instagram account on Android is to go to your profile and tap in the upper right corner to access your account settings. You can do this by opening the Instagram app on your Android device and logging into your account. Step 2. Tap Settings. Once you're on your profile page, tap on Settings to access your account settings. This is where you can manage various account settings, including your account type. Step 3. Tap Account. After tapping on Settings, scroll down and tap on Account to access your account settings. This is where you can manage your account type and other account-related settings. Step 4. Tap Switch Account. Once you're on the account settings page, tap on Switch Account Type to see a list of account types you can switch to. This is where you can switch your account type between personal, business, and creator accounts. Step 5. Tap Switch to Personal Account. After tapping on Switch Account Type, tap on Switch to Personal Account to switch your account type back to a personal account. You'll be asked to confirm your decision before proceeding. Step 6. Tap Switch to Personal to confirm. Finally, you'll see a confirmation page. Tap on Switch to Personal to confirm that you want to switch your account type back to a personal account. This will immediately switch your account type, and you'll be able to use Instagram as usual. And that's it. Switching back to a personal Instagram account on Android is quick and easy. By following these simple steps, you can switch your account type back to a personal account and start using Instagram as usual. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips.